This video details the installation of a compression type valve. First, slide the nut onto the pipe along with a compression sleeve. Now insert the valve as far as it can go onto the pipe and tighten down the nut. When tightening the connections, it is always best to use two tools, one holding the valve and one to tighten with. The recommended torque is approximately 1/2 turn after the nut begins to take hold or bite into the tube. Over-tightening sets up stress and can cause future failures. Now you can connect the second inlet pretty much the same way as the first.